Forex fam, Phoenix back at you with another video very quickly. I was gonna wait. If you caught my last video, I think I ended it here. So I'm not even gonna waste no time. This first time watching my video, Phoenix Forex King. I scalped the US 30. I just posted a video not too long ago about this particular trade. I was gonna wait, but I said I was record this video. So I closed it out. I stopped the last video somewhere around here. I was saying that I really was expecting and hope that the market would climb a little bit higher, whether it be this level or here. And I also mentioned that I would have loved for it to hit my 10% while recording, but I was excited to say I'm going to record the second video. So the market's still climbing. We're doing well. Based on my strategy, I do have a little bit of leverage and leeway to kind of hold out to wait for the candles to close to give me a better picture as to what the market is going to do. Fortunately for me, this bearish kind of closed above the moving average, and then I had an engulfing candle here, and then I had this candle again. This candle slowing down, slow momentum because again another level. So I see that the market is definitely slowing down. I honestly just wanted to record the fact that I hit my 10%. That's all I wanted to do. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm floating 130, 140, right? You can say 150 right now, but it's still open. I don't close it. But I'm so close to the 10%. I said I wanted to record it live. So I said, all right, let's see if I can get it today. If I don't get it today, there's tomorrow. But the faster I hit it, the better it will be for me, because once you submit for the scale up, it takes about 2 days for them to review the account. So I would love that if I can clap that goal today, then I'll take tomorrow and Wednesday off, and I'll happily take those 2 days off to kind of refresh. I haven't taken a day off in the last couple of days because I've been in the markets every single day consistently because I'm just attacking my goal. But I know you guys probably can't hear me with my Phoenix playing in the background. But since I've been attacking my goals so aggressively, I've been in the markets every single day. Yeah, you could consider weekends a break, but they're not really a break. So I would enjoy a break during the trading week to not stress, to not worry, just to embrace the process and enjoy how far I've come, right? So I probably would need another solid candle. I don't know if it's going to get past this level. I don't really want to make this video too long, but I mean it's clear that momentum is definitely slowing down, and I was so excited. I said I'm going to record it because maybe this candle, I figured maybe this candle would have shot up and I would have got it. You don't know. The market, as we all know, is unpredictable. So we're at this level here, 130. You know what? I'll be okay too. So if I don't hit the goal today, I'll be okay. But at the end of the day, we're pretty close to doing what I expected it to do, was do a solid lower high. This could have been it, but I don't know. I just stayed in based on my strategy. Just call it what it is. I'm not going to pretend. I stayed in. I sacrificed the candle. This candle could have kept going down, and I could have lost a little bit of profit. I sacrificed this candle, worked in my favor, went up. Cool. Now, all right, 120. Don't know if I'm going to get it this video. And guess what? I'm not taking less than. That's a powerful candle. $11:14. So we got one more minute in the session. I wonder if that was a fake out. Maybe not. Stopped at the level. Moving average curve to the right. Let's see what this candle does. This is an obvious level, right? It's obvious. It could very well have been a fake out. Most times during the moves, you're gonna expect some type of sprinkling of the opposition. So like this was smooth. Like you can't ask for a picture perfect move for a bearish move. On the way up, especially with such bearish momentum, I'm not surprised. Like at some point, you would see some type of bearish interaction. I didn't really expect a smooth ride all the way up like this happened. So this really does not surprise me. This candle really could have just been a fake out, just because these are some strong levels clearly, and the stronger this is, the better it'll be for me. Yeah, good job. Clearly, I would love for this to be an engulfing candle, and I would much rather it close above the wick or even above this level for me to feel confident that it's still going up. And so far, all signs are showing that it's still going up. Don't want to talk too fast because the market will make you look foolish. But again, great trading day. You got 3 more minutes in the session. Um, let's see what happens. Back in action. We're back in action. Back in action. So this was a necessary pullback. I thought that was a small gap, but nothing really crazy. Okay, I would have liked a little bit more. I'll take it. That's just one more reason to stay in the trade. Um, can I get it? I mean, we're above the moving average, which I love. Mm, 11:20. Hey, if this ends up being a 30-minute video, I don't have to tell you guys. I don't think it will be. Hopefully, right? But I definitely want to crush this 10%. It just depends on the candles. If the market goes my way, great. If the market don't go my way, then I'm out of there. But right now, I can sacrifice one more session just because of this candle right here. All signs based on my specific strategy and my processes. We're looking, I don't know, we're looking good. This depends on what happens with this candle. All right, we know we need a wick. Wicks are necessary. We need some momentum to blast past this level. The market's probably going to settle somewhere around here. Like that's what I would love to see. We'll see. It could go stagnant and go consolidate at this level too. We don't know. The market doesn't care about your goals. The market don't care about your goals. So yeah, you might have your goal, and yeah, you might be $19, $15, $14 away from your goal, but the market don't care. So that's why you have to just stick to your process and try to be as neutral and disciplined as possible. Because again, the market does not care about you. Great push. Come on. Great push. Great push. I need a little bit more momentum. In any event, whether I hit the goal or not today, let's put in perspective and let's stay grounded. Most people don't make $140 on their full-time job. Let's really, yeah, we all want to be rich, we want to be wealthy, we all want to get to the next level. But if you put it into perspective, if you're making $50,000 a year after taxes, you're taking home maybe $3,500. You're making about $150 a day. There's a reason why I know that number so well. So this is full-time income for a full day's work for some people, a lot of people. So let's be respectful to what we have in the opportunity. Yeah, the riches, we all want to get rich. We want the thousands and the millions and all of that. Sure. But let's appreciate where we at. And I'm really preaching to myself more than you. But in all accounts, this is an absolutely phenomenal day. Absolutely great day. Matter of fact, while I'm waiting for them, you can see. So last day, this was when? So this was Friday. So Friday I had another phenomenal day too. I'm watching the profit here. So Friday was the third, right? Look at all these trades I had on the third. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Six plus 11 plus 12 plus 7 plus 105. Had $140 day. Then I did that loss because I was not disciplined. Ended up having $100 day on Friday. And then today we had that quick scalp, and then we had 136. So this is not a one-hit wonder. I don't know why I decided to show that, but yeah, not a one-hit wonder. I'm consistently, you know what I'm saying, getting in the markets. But also, I guess on the account size, you could consider this a home run move if you want to consider it that way. But I mean, I take my base hits too. I take losses. I have no problem. This was a this was a tough day. This is a real tough day to be me. You know what I mean? But you know what I'm saying, base hits $22, $4, a little loss there, 9, 8, 1, 1. So I take my base hits too. This was a solid, very good base hits here, 28, 24, 23, 10. So like I have no problem being transparent. So like this is a home run day for the account size. You know what I mean? So I don't know why I felt encouraged to do that. I just did it anyway. That might have helped somebody. So we're almost there. Let's get this last push. Come on. Let's get the push. Let's hit the goal. Let's hit the goal. Let's smash it. $160 day, bro. Like this is an amazing, amazing day. 10% achieved. Now, are we gonna do a take profit? Oh no. I'm taking everything off the table. I'm taking everything off the table. Everything off the table. Because I'll be damned if I close this trade and while it's showing, it might show 500, it'd be 4,000, 5,499.10 cents. Like, come on, bro. Like, don't do that to me. So let's see where you're. All signs were 27. All signs are looking really well. It's doing what I hoped it would have done. I don't want to say I predicted because we can't predict the market. So let me humble myself right there and be good. I mean, the market could have shot down on me in any point in time during these pullbacks. So let's keep that 100, right? So I really hope that it would go back because the US 30 has a very consistent tendency to retest gaps. So this gap, if I want to go that far back, this gap is actually, how far back is it? Is it really that far back? No way. No way. It's not that far back at all. I don't think it's that far back. Okay, so this is where the market's at. It's right there. I know it's a gap. That's how I mark my gaps. So I'm trying to find it before. Oh, it's up here. The market's up there. Can't find it. Ah, see, I knew I had it. Here it is. Here's the gap. So this is where the market's at right now. Right? No, that's not it. It's further up. 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 Might not be. So we have that gap there. I know those are there. Oh, I can't find it. I know it's here. I just have to pay attention to where it's at. I don't know where it's at, but I know this level is a gap because that's how I mark my gaps. I mark all my gaps with double white levels, double white lines. So I know there's a gap there. I just have to find it. But that's also proof that it don't matter where the gap is. If it's a solid level, the US 30 is going to respect it. You see this gap. I mistake this gap for that gap, but you saw it there. I'm not going to scroll back again right now. You see the market hit the gap and shot right back up. Now, so you guys saw that I technically hit my goal, but the market doesn't care. The market backed up. You see this doji. So I'm sacrificing one more candle just because of I want to. Because I want to. It's just that simple. 135. This momentum. Now, if you get too close, 130. The market was as high as 160. I don't know if this is another pullback. I've got 3 more minutes left in the session. I hate when the market does when this shit does that. Do I want to refresh right now? That goes to show you their system is not perfect. I'm not a fan of DX trade at all, but whatever. Yeah, I need my moving averages. That helps me. That's my strategy. That's a part of my strategy. Thank you. I need that. All right, 2 more minutes left in this session. I was really hoping to smash this goal while I was recording this video. It's going long. But I really want this goal today. 128. 2 more minutes left. It's getting too close though. But this to me is a clear indication that the reversal, if it's not right now, a reversal is imminent. So, a couple more seconds left in this particular 5-minute session. I don't know if it pulls. It's pulling back up. Okay, I might sacrifice one more candle, guys. If you're new to trading, welcome to trading. You're seeing it live. If you're not new to trading, you know the game already. Yeah. I'm probably not going to hit that goal today. This is another sacrificial candle. I would need another strong momentum up for me to consider sacrificing one more. But that, while it pulled above the moving average, this is setting up to go down again. And yeah, I don't want to play this game. This thing's set up to go down. Get out of there. Now, based on my strategy, if this closes below that red moving average, I might run this thing down too. Huh. Or how about I just don't be greedy? I don't know. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. So look at the plane, because I know sometimes, as much as it is my chart, I mean, sometimes seeing all these colors, it does get cumbersome. Just if I can find this gap. I know the gap is somewhere around here, bro. Unless they just won't show it to me. I don't, well, whatever. 5 minutes. So, I mean, there's no real clear pattern. Yes, there is. Up. Zoom out. Clearly going up. Higher lows. Higher highs. But this right here broke the pattern. This right here broke the pattern. Oh. Is that the gap I was looking for? Shut up. Why is it overcomplicating this thing? Is that the gap I was looking for this entire time? No. It's another gap. I was about to say. That's brazy. So, clearly, the bears have major momentum for the day. So if I did want to get in on one more move, how much was that last move? $130. Pretty good. I'm like $30 away from my goal. The market could drop, the market could stall out. And by now, this video has gone extremely long. 2 more minutes. If this market closes below this level here, I'm going to get in. If it doesn't, I might just vibe out. So, honestly, really would have preferred it to be further below this level. I would need a strong momentum south. might be it. I was expecting more momentum to go down. Just because it just bounced from this level. And I'm going with the overall move of the day. Wick. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 60 seconds. Maybe another 30 seconds, 20-ish seconds. Yeah. I thought it was going to keep going down. But it was blocked. That's a lower high. I'm not going to get too excited yet. I could have easily closed. I should have stayed out. And while this pulled up against me, because I mean, all signs looked like it was done. It was gonna turn. The Bears were gonna take advantage. I sacrificed, and I'm waiting this candle specifically because you gave me a lower high, and you closed below this moving average. Now I need some more bearish momentum to pull it down, so it might end up keep going up. But I'm sacrificing to see, because I mean, this was a pullback from this initial move here. So we know that this is a pullback from this initial move. It might go up, it might go down. Now see, now this is a higher low. What's the market going to do? Up or down? I went from about to hit my coal to now being very defensive. ah! So now you guys can see how I'll go on a major win and then probably take a pretty decent loss behind it, because I'm riding the market in different ways. Pause. It's gonna drop. It's just a matter of when. And do I have the patience to wait for it to drop? That's another question. Now I know this video is going really long now. I kind of want to close it, but I don't want to leave you guys on a cliffhanger either. You guys are on this emotional journey with me. Do I have the patience to wait for this thing to drop? Or do I want to just get out? If I can get, it's 3 minutes left. If I can get some bearish momentum to get further down, get past this level or even past this wick, preferably past this low. That's the number one. But I would really love this low to be taken out. You take this low out, then we're in a real good standard for it to keep going down for a little while. Or at least get 1 or 2 solid candles. 3 more minutes. They might send to shoot it up though. Okay. That wasn't really enough, but glimmers of hope. This will be my last trade of the day too, for sure. Like I'm not going to trade again. What the results of this trade? It's gonna be what it will be. All right. 2 more minutes left. Okay. Give me some more momentum, bears. Let's get back on track. You gotta take out one of these lows for sure. Preferably this one. I would love this one though, because you gave me a higher low right here. So like, I don't even. That to me shows indecision. I don't really care about that one right now. This one is going to be the main one that I'm like, what are we doing? So what, 60 seconds ish, more or less. I don't know. Damn. I didn't get none of the lows. Damn. But it's below the moving averages, so can I get this drop now? Are you guys gonna take over now? You guys gonna take over now? Come on. This has to be the longest video I've ever recorded. It has to be. And nobody's probably gonna watch it. Maybe I'll get some exposures. Maybe you guys might watch this video. I don't know. We'll see. But again, this is all about me. So we'll see what's up. Come on. Let's get some bearish momentum. There we go. There we go. Two more minutes. Turn off phone. All right, less than 60 seconds. All right. So we close below this low. We need some more bearish momentum. Definitely didn't expect this to go the way it's going right now. Definitely thought I'd have been in and out already. This video would have been done. Would have hit my goal. Would have been celebrating. It's probably been like 30 minutes by now. I waited this long. This might be that candle that we've been waiting so patiently for. So patiently for. This might be that candle that gives us that momentum. Okay. Okay. Now, honestly, did my internet just... You're bugging. You guys are bugging. Yeah, my internet just went stupid. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, my internet going crazy right now. I'm not playing that game at all. What are we doing? My internet decided to be the one. It's not even the markets, it's the internet. Yeah, so I'm pulling up Plan B right now. Even Plan B is taking forever to load. Plan B is loading this thing on my phone. So if this internet gets real stupid for real, and my Wi-Fi thing is not even showing, we out of here. I'm not even gonna play this game. Especially I waited so long. This is what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 minutes for this candle? Come on, man. Let's get to the money. let's get to the money. Yeah. Yeah. Now, we got this level here. We got this. Clearly, we have these levels down here. So I don't know if it's going to hit the low of the day. but I would love for it to close below this wick. $60. Okay, so close at the wick. You have this low right here. Are we gonna take this one out? I'm not gonna play. We get out. We're done. So, as long as this video did go, we didn't hit the goal that I would have liked to hit. I mean, I'm right there by the 10%. So it's just a matter of just follow the process. I really thought we was gonna hit this goal today. What am I? What? $29 away. It's fine. As long as this thing took and this thing went against me multiple times, man, let's take the W. So I'm definitely gonna shut down this video and watch this thing tank as soon as I get up. This thing oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is gonna tank right as I close it. Man, listen. Take the W. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Today was honestly a wildly successful day. So I'm not trading anymore, so that's gonna be the last trade of the day. So overall, was it 149, 144, 14? So $144 a day. We saw it go as high as the P&L went as high as what, 163, I think. So really good day. So I ain't gonna take long to end it. You already know what I say at the end of every video. The markets don't care about you, only you care about you. So stay safe, be careful, stay disciplined, and then have a safe trading day. Forex King out. Ha ha!